this is Edith from kelas Bahasa. Today we will learn about numbers in Indonesian. So let's start. A nol. A nol. A nol. Satu. 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 Dua. 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 Tiga. 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 Empat. 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 Lima. 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 Enam. 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 Tujuh. 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 Delapan. 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 Sembilan. 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 Sepuluh. 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 The word se in Indonesian numerical system means one. So instead of saying satu puluh, it is sepuluh. Puluh also refers to the counts of tens. You will come across this word again later on. So now that you've learned how to count 0 to 10, let's see how much you can remember. Which of these is satu? It's the one on the left. Do you remember how to say 5 in Indonesian? It's Lima. That's right, it is the capital city of Peru. How about this? Do you remember how to say it in Indonesian? It's a nol. Which of these is delapan? It's the one on the right. Great work! So after we learn 1 to 10, what's next? Sebelas. 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 Dua belas. Dua belas. Dua belas. For the next numbers, you can simply add the word belas to the numbers accordingly. 20 in Indonesian is called 20. Remember the word puluh that we saw earlier? For the next numbers, you can simply add the word puluh after the numbers accordingly. 100 in Indonesian is called seratus. 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 1,000 in Indonesian is called 1.000. Se-ri-bu. 1.000. 10,000 in Indonesian is called 10.000. For easy reference, count the number of zeros at the back of the number. Since 10,000 has 4 zeros, it is called 10.000. Do you see how that works? The same applies for 100,000, which is 100.000. As for 1 million, it is called 1 juta. Or in a less formal conversations, you can mention sejuta as well. So here's a recap on what we've learned so far. For a number of 10 plus, meaning between 10 and 20, you will only need to add the word belas after the number. For a number of tens, you can simply add the word puluh. Likewise for the hundreds, which is ratus, and ribu, which is for the thousands. If there are 4 zeros, you can use 10.000. Whereas, if there are 5, that will be 100.000. For 1 million, you can use juta. Alright, so let's see how much you can remember so far. Which of these numbers is 19? It's the one on the right. Which of these is 50? It's the one on the left. Do you know how to say this number in Indonesian? It's 30.000. 30,000. How about this number? Do you know how to say it in Indonesian? It's 100.000. Remember, it's not 100.000. Here's a little challenge. How do you say this number in Indonesian? It's 100 juta. Well done! Now you have learned numbers in Indonesian. I hope it's useful for your learning. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on our videos. Take care now and have a good one!